All right, graph number 4, this box right here. After this one, we're halfway through this. All right, graph number 4, money markets. All right, one of the more important graphs for the AP test. The money market shows the quantity of money and its cost, this time nominal interest rates. Few things of note. We were talking about how much money is on the market, that quantifiable, unquantifiable term, usually talking about M1 money at this point in time. So notice a little difference here. You still have your downward sloping demand curve, but this time the supply curve is vertical. Why? Supply of money is controlled by the Fed, right, and the Federal Reserve only. Federal Reserve, while they are worried about interest rates and using interest rates to control monetary policy, we'll get that in a minute, they're not worried about it when they're putting money on the market. They're using the supply of money to help determine interest rates. But it's not a variable to them, so it's a vertical supply of money. All right, so again, Federal Reserve is the only people that control the supply of money. All right, when they are wanting to increase the supply of money, they'll do this to do expansionary monetary policy. They will buy bonds. Buy bonds equals big bucks. They'll decrease the required reserve ratio, which allows banks to have more money to loan out, or they'll decrease the discount rate. Theoretically does stuff. It's more of an announcement than anything else. All right, if they're wanting to decrease the supply of money or do contractionary monetary policy, sell bonds. Selling bonds equals small bucks. They'll raise the required reserve ratio, making banks hold on to more money, or they'll raise the discount rate. Again, just an announcement effect. All right, demand of money. So if that's who controls the supply of money, what controls the demand of money? Well, everybody else. The Federal Reserve controls supply. Everybody else controls demand. And when do we demand money? When we're spending. So an increase in the demand of money happens when there's an increase in spending. When do we spend more? When we have jobs. So when there's an increase in GDP. Or when prices are low, if there's a decrease in price level. All right, when do we spend less? Well, I don't have a job. So if there's a decrease in GDP, unemployment's going up, there's a decrease in spending, there will be a decrease in the demand for money. So there you go. That is the money market.